Good afternoon, everybody. Now, this is the second part of the video of chapter number 14. Let's begin with lesson. Compare, compare the objects. Compare the objects in your environment with their shadows they form. Try this. Ask your friend to stand a certain distance from you in a big room and obtain the shadow of your friend on the wall with the help of a torch. Now carry out the following actions. Observe and make a note of the changes taking place in shadow. Number one, stand the friend closer to the wall. Ask the friend to come towards you. Next, you move further away from him and towards him again. Hold the torch high and then low. Go toward the left and then to the right of the friend. Okay. The shadow of an object is formed only when light does not pass through the object. The kind of shadow it forms depends upon the relative distances between the source of light, the object, and the surface or the screenshot on which the shadow is formed. The shadow of an object formed due to sunlight is long in the morning and evenings and short in the afternoon. We can easily note these changes if we observe the trees along the roadside. The change in the shadow depends on the source of light, the object, and also on the surface on which the shadow is formed. Now open page number 102. Do you know? Oh, do you know? A sundial. A sundial is an instrument. One inst- a sundial is an instrument that indicates the time with the help of the extent and the direction of the shadow of an object formed in sunlight. Earlier time was measured by placing a stick parallel to the axis of the earth and by noting the position of its shadow on the dial at different times of the day. The largest sundial is at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. Okay, Jantar Mantar Bandar. The research work presented by the Indian scientist Sir C. V. Raman regarding scattering of light is known as the Raman effect. He discovered the effect on 28 February 1928 to co- commemorate this event. 28 February is celebrated as National Science Day since 1987 in India. Okay, a little fun. Use your hands and feet to make different shadows, shapes of birds, animals, etc. Let's try this. Apparates a glass, water, a large white sheet of paper. Place a glass filled with water on a sheet of paper in the window so that it receives direct sunlight. What is seen on the paper? Can we do the same in the dark room? Do with the help of a prism and a torch. What do we learn from this? What do we learn from this? Abundant soap water and a small loop of wire is if you dip the wire loop in the soap water and then blow on it so bubbles are formed. The beautiful colors of the rainbow are seen in these bubbles. What do you see on holding CD in the sun? Okay. Open page number 103. 103. In the past, British scientist Sir Isaac Newton made a special disc. One one side one side of the disc was divided equally into seven petals of the seven colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The disc was fitted on a stand and rotated fast. As the disc rotated, the seven colors disappeared. The only white was seen. The proof sunlight is made of seven colors. That is why the disk is known as Newton disk. Newton wrote a book called Optics about light. You always remember this. I told you, no, you must remember always these things. The shape of a shadow depends upon the the source of light, the object, and the surface on which it is for